Hello, I'm Jean-Marie Massot. I'm 45 years old, maybe more 5 years old than 45, and I live in south of France, close to Nice, in the countryside. So I was born in Toulouse, the place where we build planes in France. I had a nice childhood, even if I lost my father, my brother very early, and I escape in fantasy and dreams and sport. And but then I study in Paris and I move around the world. No, I live. I try to work in vacation, and so I live in southeast of France, where there is mountain and sea, because that's our my passion. And so no, never go back to Toulouse just for work. Yeah. My family is a simple family. There is a lot of scientists, people that escape from their condition by education, because in France it's a positive way to grow, and it's public. And so one musician. I didn't know about design till 90 years old. I was focused on aircraft engineering because it's my city and I wanted to be an inventor. And I discovered design that was not in our culture. That was the discipline that is able to approach everything. My dream, I always have fantasy and try to find alternative vision about what I look about. 10 years ago, I was dreaming to work in vacation because I was working a lot of projects all over the world. When I was a kid, even at 7 years old, my time I spent to do some, how to say in English, bricolage, and trying to do things. And then very soon I start to do some what we call modelism, so, aircraft or boats, but with the remote control. And step by step, I start to design it, to experiment many things. And I even built some light boat to go on the water with my body. And so it was very soon, and that I was experimenting. My diploma project at school was, and I still have the patent, a submarine to discover underworld. In the world of design, if you have to, I'm a very shy guy. It doesn't look like this, but I'm very shy, and people sometimes think I'm arrogant and like very pretentious because I'm shy. So I don't go to them till I don't know them, and they think, oh, it's so French. It's not. It's not at all the case. I was living in Paris for 20 years, always wearing dark blue or black, like architects, or because it's convenient, because I was always driving by motorbike. And 15 years ago, I thought, I don't want to go back in Paris. It's a crazy city, and I don't feel this energy, like a positive energy. And I was wearing white because under the sun you used to wear white. And September, October, November, I keep the white dress, because I feel comfortable in. It's about light. It's about for me, it's reflect energy, and I feel how to say. I feel very comfortable in. If I put some dark things, I feel like a prisoner. At that time, of course, a light book, notebook, and a pencil, because every ideas come through hand. Less than 10 years, but the iPad Pro and the pencil, because finally I work everywhere. my life project is to discover people, place, and finally, our life has to be an adventure. That's my real purpose. And in the adventure is to share with people. I have a life project is to cross Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean with a sailboat. For me, luxury is the quality of the experience and the art of living. So for me, I don't care about the price of the matter. But for me, luxury is the elegance of the way that the product, the service, the surrounding has been thought in order to create this harmony, this refinement, this art of living. My bedside books were an encyclopedia to l'univers, all the universe. And I was not able to read all the details, but even with the picture, I understood about physics, about cosmology, about many things. Carl Sagan was the guy that created this documentary in the 70s about science vulgarization, and he was the guy that sent the Voyager sound in the space, writing the message for humanity to aliens. No, I'm not interested in. Really, I don't feel the interest even to go on Mars. View from my side, I think it's better to enjoy what we have than to expect to reproduce something less interesting in Mars. Nature is the whole nature, cosmos, and I don't. I have a vision. I'm a kind of animist person. I think everything is part of a whole, and this whole is God. I had, for example, a very interesting experience with Nepalese people working with CC Tapi for education, as well as in Philippines doing some discussion with the people that are living on the dumps, and to propose them, we built like a 900 person village to create for them like a sustainable and autonomous life. In India, when you invite me, meeting a lot of people, from architects to people in the street. In Japan, where I make my wedding, wedding with my wife, who is not Japanese. It was a surprise, but I wanted not to have a religious something, but something that makes sense in terms of symbol. My everyday life with my wife is perfect date. 30 years old, maybe connection. Maybe we have to create sometimes some perfect date. No, it's just to. I think not to plan. The perfect date is something that you never expect. Depend of what is it about, but usually I'm not comfortable to share problems or doubts with people. But I have a lot of friends, and my wife, and even my mentor was Marc Berthier. He's still alive, 86 years old, and a guy that developed theories about lightness. He educated us at school. So depend on the situation. I like soul song. I like Wild in the Wind from even the adaptation from David Bowie, but from Nina Simone, because it's. I like Prince when he's doing some ballad. I like a lot of people. I like even some rap. No. It's about intuition. It's about holistic approach. I feel the things. If I have to think a space, I feel. I think we are all gods first, because we are all part of this big adventure, this big Gaia meta-organism. I think the situation is perfect. Things are what they have to be, and the chaos is part of regeneration. So I don't have a judgment about. Of course, ill, death is pain for emotion, but I don't feel the things like that. I'm a shit. Now, because I never satisfied about, you have a goal, an idea, an ideal, and then that's prejudice. So maybe something I tried in India. It was just a little bit of white wine or sake, I don't remember, in watermelon juice. Oh, but I think when I was living in Hong Kong, I was like maybe 24 years old. Spent 1 year there because I wanted to discover Asia, and I try things even in the market where it looks for Occidental people dirty, that I didn't know what was it. But I can tell you, even drinking things that was very bitter, very thick. I don't know what was it because I was speaking with the local people, but it was very, very strange for me. What you have in your in your stomach, under the stomach, things like that, from which animal I don't know. It's blooming with our surrounding and the other. C'est pas assez vulnérable. Ideal. Complicity. Open mind. Time. Greedy. Part of the beauty of humankind. Dream and relax. Energy. Energy too. Difficult. Boss, no. I have cat, but I will say dog. Hiking in the forest. Theater. Oh, regular cars. What do you? If supercars is a flying car, supercar. Bedrooms. Family. Cookotem for family. I drink with coffee. Long is the road, but powerful is our bicycles. This is my nest. It doesn't exist anymore. It's virtual. Is beautiful. Of course, enjoying with friends and sharing adventure like sailboat, big trip with friends.